In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a smart list in Go High Level. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and walk through the necessary steps together. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. Now, in the search bar, type in Go High Level. This will bring you to the search results page. From the list of results, you want to click on the link for Go High Level's official website, which should be listed as www.gohighlevel.com. Clicking on this link will take you to the home page of the Go High Level website. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log into your account. You should see a login option in the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. If you encounter any trouble logging in, remember to double-check your username and password or use the Forgot Password option if you need to reset it. After successfully logging into your Go High Level account, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Contacts tab. This is where you'll find all your contact-related activities, including managing your lists. The next step is crucial. Within the Contacts section, locate the Manage Smart Lists button. This button is commonly situated in the top right corner of the page, so keep your eyes peeled. Clicking this button will present you with a list of all your saved smart lists. You'll recognize this screen if you've managed lists here before. This is the hub where you can organize and delete your smart lists. Now let's move on to the final step. Look to the right side of the smart list you wish to remove. You'll notice a set of icons next to it. Identify the trash can icon, which is the delete option. Click this trash can icon located right next to the smart list name that you want to delete. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a smart list in Go High Level. Remember, deleting a smart list is a permanent action. Once removed, you won't be able to recover it, so be sure you want to delete it before confirming. If you ever have second thoughts, consider exporting the list data elsewhere before performing the deletion, so you'll have a backup on hand. Hopefully, this guide helped make the process clear and easy to understand. Feel free to revisit this video if you need to run through the steps again. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Go High Level.